So a quick recap before this video starts. This was supposed to be a midweek update. Unfortunately and fortunately, for posting times and so on, but we got a little crazy. So we had a grand opening on Friday, which I'll add here. We had a paddle tournament yesterday, which is actually going to be the next vlog, which is pretty exciting, I must say. We are ending this week's vlog off on a gorgeous Sunday. What is up, ladies and gents? It's still day one of ownership of the car. Vlog number 2. Boot lids on, motors out of the boot, and we've got a lot of parts laying over here that's probably going to my room. We are currently, stripped out interior. That's probably all going to come out as well. Neer, what you busy with here?
Ik weet zelf niet. We busy sorting out the front end with the porta potty.
Okay, so Neer's got some fancy tools, and we are gonna see how close we can get this to standard. Yeah, day one. This is kind of exciting. Motor's probably gonna be opened up next week. What do you reckon? Yeah.
Next what?
So Neer's busy pumping here, and the other tools under there, and that's essentially gonna bring that up. Hopefully, let's see how it goes. Moving. Stand here. Stand here. This is moving. Cool tools, man. Cool car, man. Not even 10 minutes, and that is nearly straight around. And he's gonna play a little MacGyver here quickly. That is mad. Okay. A little shorter. It's gonna go in there. And essentially straighten that up. Yeah. Look at that. So while Neer's busy here, he clearly doesn't need me, so I'm gonna start packing all that away. Thank you.
Raak my Engelse 2 cents af.
Even Tosh is here. Anyway, Neer and Pops are gonna weld this up. Yeah, I'm gonna just sand it down quickly to make some space, and yeah, and make it like nice for the welding. Okay, now for the wire brush, and we're just gonna get down to the metal. Nicely done, I must say. A big well done to Neer. Yeah, it's man, like, it's not the most amazing, like, but I would say that Neer is essentially my Gohan to Adam. When like, look at this. Yo! If you get the reference, you get the reference. Anyway, shout out. Taking a quick break from MIATA content. I haven't shown YouTube yet, or what happened to the Sentra. I'll add some pictures and maybe the camera footage of what happened over here. This whole thing was like torn down there. We are outside Mr. 50 Shades of Stan's house. That's his pretty caddy over there, and he's gonna sort it out, hopefully the whole front end actually. So that's a discussion to be had quickly, but I mean, yeah, that's story time for another day. Okay, we have 2 days have passed. It's Monday evening. Thank you again to Neer for straightening out the front of the car. I'm gonna take the part that snapped, the column part off there now, so that I can get that left wheel to stand like normal and make it able to roll around, obviously. And then I need to put this there because that's stock suspension at the moment, so I want to swap that one out and put that in there. So yeah, we'll put you guys on the time lapse on the tripod over here. I might have some feet walking in between, but it's fine. Can just get that done, and then hopefully the car levels out. My face is dirty is because I took a spring clamp to the jaw. No, but anyway, that's a big difference. Quite impressive. Now for that to go in, and then steering arm to come off, so I can take it for space. Okay, and seeing as that done, coilovers are in nicely, so that can still come down a lot. The ones that side goes up, but depending on the weather. I think it is raining tomorrow actually. I'm going to strip this tomorrow because I'm tired now. That part that snapped over there, as you can see, that snapped over there, so I'm gonna see if I can get just this part, and then we can obviously run it from there to become a rolling chassis, make everything easier, moving it around and with the copper steering wheel, or just a hub. And then yeah, that's pretty exciting. Midweek vlog coming soon.
But this is how far we are so far. The filler is just taking a little bit long to dry because it's a bit cold, but I've gotten most of it, some of the areas like double fold and triple fold just in case of pinholes and all of that. So I'm going to see now tomorrow if it's handable, and we should be very close to spraying. But I'm just hoping and praying we got some more sunshine this week because it's a little bit cold, like I said. But we're not too far, friend. We're not too far.
And with that being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed that video, or this video so far. I'll add a little bit of an update now at the end quickly. I'm going to see the Sentra tomorrow, so I'll add that quickly at the end of this. Just so you can see what was actually done this week by Mr. Andy, Mr. 50 Shades of Stance. It's pretty exciting, not gonna lie. So obviously fenders and so on was all done. I asked him to do both sides and do the complete front end. At the end of it all, or when it was stripped down, he found some rust under the fenders, which I knew was there, I just didn't know it was as bad. So hopefully the fenders are still off tomorrow and I can go check it out, and then we can obviously just run it from there because I asked him to sort that out. I mean, we might as well, and then just work our way back, get her to the pristine condition she used to be in once upon a time, and we can run it from there. Have a lekker week.